Hey everyone! Today we're diving into a fundamental and incredibly useful concept in computer science, the array in data structures. Let's get right into it. So, what exactly is an array? Imagine it as a row of mailboxes in an apartment building, where each mailbox can hold a letter, or in our case, a piece of data. These mailboxes are all at contiguous locations, which means they are back-to-back with no gaps. This setup is super efficient for managing data because you can jump straight to any mailbox using its unique number, or index, as we call it in tech. Why are arrays so crucial, you ask? Well, they are like the Swiss Army knife in your programming toolkit. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, arrays are used everywhere. From the apps on your phone to complex software systems, arrays make data handling a breeze. They allow programmers to quickly access data, perform sorts, searches, and other manipulations with minimal hassle. One of the biggest perks of using arrays is their ability to let you access any element directly if you know its index. This is known as random access, and it's like having the superpower to instantly locate and retrieve information without having to look through every single piece of data. Imagine how handy this is in real-time processing or in situations where time is of the essence. Now, while arrays offer remarkable benefits, they also come with their own set of limitations. For instance, the size of an array is fixed. Once you define how many elements it can hold, you can't change it without creating a whole new array. Plus, inserting or deleting elements in an array isn't as straightforward as in other data structures like linked lists, where you can easily add or remove items without disrupting the entire structure. But despite these challenges, the simplicity and efficiency of arrays make them an indispensable part of programming. They are the building blocks for more complex data structures and algorithms, laying the groundwork for advanced data management and manipulation. So, whether you're building your next game, developing an app, or even working on data analysis, understanding arrays is key to structuring and accessing your data effectively. Trust me, mastering this concept will not only boost your coding skills, but also open up a world of possibilities in your tech projects. That's a wrap on arrays. If you found this overview helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Catch you in the next video. And remember, the more you practice, the better you'll get at using arrays and other data structures. Keep experimenting, keep learning, and keep coding. The journey of mastering arrays is ongoing, and every bit of practice brings you closer to becoming an expert. Arrays are not just theoretical concepts. They are used in real-world applications, from simple scripts to complex systems. Collaborating with others on projects can also help you understand different ways arrays can be utilized. Sharing your knowledge and learning from others is a great way to deepen your understanding of arrays and other data structures. Attending tech conferences and participating in coding challenges can also provide valuable insights and new perspectives. Reflecting on your coding journey and recognizing your progress can be incredibly motivating. Set new goals, challenge yourself, and keep pushing the boundaries of what you can achieve with arrays and beyond. Celebrate your milestones, no matter how small, and keep striving for excellence in your coding endeavors. The future of tech is bright, and with a solid understanding of arrays, you're well equipped to tackle any challenge that comes your way. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.